Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. I hope all of you are fine. Dear students, today we will do the reading of page number 28 and 29 of your textbook, and the topic is Dada's photos. As I told you that we have done the topic previously and we are doing the reinforcement. So, please take out your book and open page number 28 of your textbook. Now hold a pencil and a scale in your hand and draw a line on the top of the page. Now write day, classwork and date. I hope all of you have done. Okay, dear students, first of all, let's discuss learning objectives, means the things that you will learn today. Okay, dear students, today in the end of the lesson, you should be able to describe what Dada did for fun. And you should be able to identify some ways people traveled 50 years ago. And you should be able to recognize that some things change for the better and some for the worse. Okay, students, this is page number 28 of your textbook that we will read today. But let's recall our previous lecture. As I told you in the previous lecture that Dada is showing a photo album to Hiba, in which Hiba can see the old pictures of Dada's time when Dada was a boy. Even Dada told her that Dada's favorite toy was a horse and his name was Spotty. Same like this, Dada shows the pictures of his old house and the family to Hiba, in which Dada's family were busy in reading newspaper or reading the books and Dada was playing with a toy. Then I show you the pictures of the new time and the old time. There was a difference between both pictures. So here we will discuss that how Dada had fun when he was a boy. Means which activities he do for the fun. Okay, dear students, please hold a pencil in your hand because you have to underline the difficult words. And the line number 1 is, what games did you play, Dada? Please underline games. Asks Hiba. Well, we had no computer games or TV, says Dada. Please underline computer games. Sometimes we ran races. We read books too. Sometimes we went to the park or to the beach. Please underline park and the beach. We had a lot of fun. Okay, dear students, as you can see in the pictures on page number 28, that which activities Dada had for the fun. Dada said that in the old time they don't have the computers and the mobile phones or the TV, so how they spend their time? They ran the races, read the books, and sometimes went to the park and went to the beach. So now, come on page number 29 of your textbook, how Dada traveled. Means which vehicles Dada used to travel. First of all, underline traveled. Okay, students, come on line number 1. We did not have a car. Only very rich people had cars, says Dada. Sometimes we rode bicycles. Please underline rode bicycles. Look, here is a picture of my auntie and her friends with their bicycles. Please underline friends. Sometimes a man pulled us in a rickshaw. Please underline pulled and rickshaw. It was hard work for the man. I am glad people do not pull rickshaws now. Some things are worse nowadays, but some things are better. Okay, dear students, here Dada told that when he was a boy, only very rich people had cars, and Dada don't have the car, and Dada used bicycles to travel from one place to another place. Even Dada told to Hiba that in old time they used a man-pulled rickshaw, means a rickshaw that was pulled by a man, and it was very hard work. But nowadays we have the rickshaws that have engines. So Dada said that there are many changes, but some changes are good and some changes are bad. So now we will discuss the changes. Okay, dear students, come on the main points of page number 28. Old photos were black and white and new photos are colorful. As you can see on page number 26 and 27, I showed you the pictures that in old time Dada's photo was black and white and new photograph is colorful. Cameras are probably smaller than the camera Dada's family used. We can take photographs and keep them in a photo album as a record to recall the memories. Nowadays, more people have cars and people do not pull rickshaws. Shapes of things are changed from past, like old furniture was simple but new furniture is stylish. Material of things are changed from past, like old pots and toys were made of clay or metal, and now they are usually made of plastic. In past, mostly people pulled rickshaws, and now rickshaws have engines that work faster than old-time rickshaws. Okay, dear students, here we will discuss the difference between the traveling of 50 years ago and the traveling that we are doing nowadays. First of all, I will tell you the travel about 50 years ago. 50 years ago, the traveling was slower. Many people rode bicycles. Few people had cars and less dangerous. And nowadays, traveling is faster. Not many people ride bicycles. More people have cars. Rickshaws have engines. And today the traveling is more dangerous than the past. Okay, dear students, this is your homework. You have to read page number 28 and 29 of your textbook and write down answer of these questions. Question number 1 is, name the activities that Dada had for fun. You have to write down the activities that we discussed that Dada had for fun. And the question number 2 is, which vehicles Dada used to travel in past. You have to write down the names of the vehicles that Dada used to travel. Okay, dear students, thank you to be here. Stay safe and stay at your home. Allah Hafiz.